Loop inside React JSX. I'm trying to do something like the following in React JSX, where object row is a separate component. I realize and understand why this isn't valid JSX, since JSX maps to function calls. However, coming from template land and being new to JSX, I am unsure how I would achieve the above, adding a component multiple times. Think of it like you're just calling JavaScript functions. You can't use a for loop where the arguments to a function call would go. See how the function t-body is being passed a for loop as an argument, and of course that's a syntax error, but you can make an array, and then pass that in as an argument. You can use basically the same structure when working with JSX. Incidentally, my JavaScript example is almost exactly what that example of JSX transforms into. Play around with Babel REPL to get a feel for how JSX works. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.